Class 5 Environmental Studies, Part 1, Lesson number 19, Constituents of Food. Students, today we are going to see the revision of this constituents of the food. What are the food constituents? As we have seen, they are as macronutrients and micronutrients. So for today's revision, we are going to see about the macronutrients. They are as carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Now students, let's see this macronutrients in detail. First, carbohydrates. These carbohydrates, there are various starch, sugar and fibers are as carbohydrates. Now different cereals, okay, different cereals like wheat, jawar, bajra, potato, etc. contains starch, right? So this starch includes in the carbohydrates. Now these carbohydrates complete digestion are converted to sugar. Now, various starch and sugar act as fuel. They give us energy. Due to these carbohydrates, we are provided with lots of energy. They also keep our body warm. Now, students, there are various different types of sugar in different food items. There is a sugar called sucrose in the sugarcane. We use sugar. We need sugar daily, right? For tea or to make some sweet things. Now there is a sugar called fructose in also fruits. Now students, as you know that fruits, they are sweet, right? But some sugar kind of material or sugar kind of substance is added to these fruits. Therefore the fruits are sweet. Now the sugars are energy giving constituents to the foods. Also fruits, vegetables also give various effects for our skin, for growing of our body. Therefore this carbohydrate is for energy giving to our body. Second, let's see about fats. Now these fats provide twice as much energy as carbohydrates. Fats are digested in a body and form energy giving substances. Now this excess of the substance are stored in our body, right, in the layer under our skin. Therefore we cannot see these fats easily. Now the fatty layers gives shape to our body. When we eat fatty things, okay, cheese, butter, our body start growing, okay, different shapes comes to our body. It prevents loss of heat from our body. The internal organs in the body are protected due to the layer of this fat. Now this fat which is in our body, it is under the layer of our skin. Therefore it is very injurious from outside. Immediate damage is prevented due to the fatty layer. Such cream, butter, ghee, oil, nuts, meat, egg yolk are the different source of fats. So this is what we have seen about the fats. Now next, let's see about proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of the body. Different organs in the body such as the bones, skin, muscles and hair are made out of the proteins. Now students, what is meant by protein? These proteins are the building block of our body. It is very important to prevent our body. Now there are also different organs such as bones, right, skin, muscles and hair. These are made out of proteins. If proteins become less in a body, hair fall starts, right, and also skin gets blended, all pimples and everything will get darken. Proteins are necessary for healing and repairing our body. As I told you all that protein is very important substance for our body. All types of dal, pulses, groundnuts, milk and milk products such as khoya, yogurt, paneer, eggs, meat and fish are the good source of proteins. So these all things which I told you all now, the types, okay, they are the good source for our body. These proteins must be there in our body. So we should keep in mind that what all things comes to into the protein that we can effort it every day for our body. Now these carbohydrates and proteins and fats are the three important constituents of the food, okay, that we have learned in the macronutrients. Okay, thank you.